So guys, now I'm gonna cut them on 30 inch. That is the 1,000 pieces puzzle board. I get 3 out of them, and I gotta do 2 sheets, but I'll just cut one because it's much of the same and it's a lot of noise. So So 3 of these boards, and as you can see, they're nice and square, nice and equal. I am really happy with this setup, and it saves me a lot of sanding. I forgot one. So, done. Perfect. Loving it. So I'm going to do the next sheet, and I'll be back when I start cutting the profiles for the drawers. See you later.